So I found this scraper sad because it doesn't have a handle. So I decided to create and 3D print a handle for this. In the name of the creator, as usual, I took a picture and I did some measurements and dimensions. So what I have in mind is something simple like this. A simple handle consists of two plates. One goes below the surface of the scraper and the other one on top of it, and we hold everything with a nut and bolt. Let's go to Onshape, create a new document, name it scraper handle, remove the other ones, create new sketch, press N, get your center point rectangle. Before that, let's go to workplace units and choose millimeter. Go back to sketch and give this one 90, this one 50. We're gonna draw another one. This one is for lap joint. It's gonna be 86 by 46. Now we need some guidelines, so we're gonna draw these two lines. From there to there, from here to here. And the angle between these two is gonna be 44. And we also have to make them symmetric and center. Let's do this. Now we draw the two holes or circles. Type 5. Draw another one. This time we're gonna use the equal tool. If we change one, the other one will change too. And we're gonna work with these distances. So (13) center to center, it's gonna be 11. So now pretty much done with the sketch. We're gonna extrude. We're gonna choose this, and also everything except those two holes. The total thickness is gonna be 6. It's gonna be symmetric, half below the plane, half above. We need another extrusion. This time we're gonna remove material, and it's gonna be symmetric. It's gonna merge with all, and it's gonna be less than 1 millimeter. And in order to choose which faces, we have to remove this, we have to hide that and show the other one and choose these two. And now if we hide that and bring this one back, we can see what we did. So now we can before splitting, actually we can do a fillet. So we can choose these two, and 30 is fine. No, actually let's do the split. We're gonna split this part, and we're gonna split it with the plane because it's exactly at the center. Now we have two parts. This one, let's rename it top. This one bottom. And now we can work with our lap joint. So for that, create new sketch, choose this front, press N, and we're gonna show this and corner rectangle. Unfortunately we cannot grab, so we can use this tool to project that point, and now we can grab to that point. Hold on Alt, just type 2. We're gonna draw another one. This time it's gonna be 1.5, but the height is gonna be the same. And we're gonna center it. So now we have our two rectangles to do our lap joints. So we're gonna hide the top one, so we can see that it's on top of the bottom plate, so we can add material to it. So we go do a sweep, choose our little rectangle, and for the path we're gonna select this, just like that. So we added materials. We're gonna hide this one, bring the other one, do another sweep, also show this. We can see that our rectangles this time is inside that, so we can remove material. So in order to be able to choose all of them, so we have to also hide this one and choose all of those three, and then show that and choose the path. Because we're going to remove material. Just like that. So what we did is that we removed more material from the top plate, and we add less material to the bottom one for the sake of 3D printing tolerance. So we can show both of them. If we go to the top view, hide this plane and do a transform of this part, you can see what we have done so far. So it's almost done. Another thing that we can do is engrave some text. So for that, go to top view, press N. Actually, no, it's gonna be here. Go just like that, and we create new sketch, and we're gonna choose this plane. You press N. We're gonna draw some guidelines. Choose our text, type it here, or actually let's do this. So it's too big. Let's make this one like 7. Let's make it center. For that, we're gonna use again the symmetric tool. I'm gonna choose this. And now we can extrude that one and choose the sketch 3D. But we don't want to do that. We don't want emboss. We want engrave. So we're going to remove material, and it's going to be less than 1 millimeter. Just like that. And now we have our parts, so we can export them, slice them, and give it to our 3D printer to print. And here they are, our 2 plates, top and bottom, with lap joint and engraved text. They fit easily into each other because of the big difference between those 2 rectangles, and with a gap for the scraper to go there, and a bolt and a nut to hold everything together. We can use our 3D printed wrench to hold this. And the screwdriver to tighten this down. Just like that. And it's ready to use. There it is. No longer sad. Thank you for watching. God bless you.